Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang love reading para sa lahat ng air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, so tignan natin kung ano yung masasagot kong energy. And as I promised sa last post ko na I'll be giving away free love readings para sa inyo as a way of giving back dahil na-reach ko ang 1,000 subscribers, and salamat sa suporta po ninyo. That's why I'm giving away 2 free love readings for all air signs. So to join the promo, all you have to do is first subscribe kayo sa aking channel if hindi pa, then like this video, tapos comment na rin kayo sa baba. Comment niyo yung sign niyo, kung Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And indicate nyo lang or lagay nyo lang how this reading resonated sa inyo. Tapos sa mapipili ko, we will be doing a personal private reading, and yun, na mas i-align pa natin sa energy ninyo yung reading. Okay, so what I'll be doing is today is bubunot ako ng 3 cards from this set, and then 3 cards from this deck. 2 for isang pair for the recent past, isang pair for the present moment, at isang pair sa near future. And as I always remind you on my channel, this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pong pilitin. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading, or panoorin ninyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo, dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Better yet, book a personal private reading. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. Okay, so simulan na natin. Ayan. So I'll get the 6th card dahil June pa rin naman yun. First card, recent past, 3 of Cups, and clarified by the Temperance. Okay, so in the recent past, there's maganda naman yung naging collaboration ninyong dalawa, ng person mo, and I can see here na supported nyo ang isa't isa sa lahat ng mga endeavors nyo, sa lahat ng mga relationship goals nyo, sa lahat ng mga plano ninyo as a couple or as individuals as well. So kung may mga activities ka related sa career mo, your partner supports it and even helps you ma-achieve yun kung kailangan mo yung help niya. And the same goes for you towards your person. And I can see here na in the recent past, masaya ang relasyon ninyong dalawa. And I can see here na with the Temperance card here, walang halong drama. Talagang happy lang kayo na magkasama kayo. Both of you are also being patient on each other. Kung may mga issues man, hindi agad na umaabot sa matinding conflict. And I can see the energy of maturity when it comes to dealing with conflict issues. So nare-resolve nyo naman din agad. And because of the 3 of Cups energy nga, na maganda yung collaboration ninyo yung dalawa. So yeah. And with the temperance energy then, very may emotional maturity din talaga sa relasyon niya ito. Kaya very stable ang relationship, and I think ano pa siya, talagang mas mag-grow pa siya. Pero tignan natin ano yung energy sa present moment and how it was affected by the recent past energy. Okay. Okay. Alright. Ten of Wands. Bakit kaya? Okay. Sige, clarified by Page of Wands. Okay, from 10 to page. Since may mga ano lang kayo, I think at the sa present moment, may mga challenges kayong kinakaharap ngayon. And sabi ko naman kanina na madali ninyong ma-resolve ang mga bagay-bagay. However, with the Ten of Wands energy here at the present moment and how it was affected by the recent past, okay, is may mga feeling ninyo na dahil nga you support each other sa lahat ng bagay, parang na-feel ninyo na nagiging obligation na siya at the present moment, na parang kahit minsan ang dating is may mga bagay din naman talaga na hindi nyo kayang i-provide yung support. What I see here, for example, yung partner ninyo, nangangailangan siya ng financial support, for example. However, medyo gipit ka rin. You're supporting your family, you have your mga own finances, and if you're married couple, syempre may mga budgeting. So, kuwari sa ganun, example lang naman to So, maybe for some of you may ganitong experience na hindi nyo ma-providean hindi nyo masuportahan yung need na yon at the moment. And you feel bad kasi nga parang in the recent past nga, di ba, parang nag-work yung relationship because you support each other sa mga ganitong aspeto ng relationship, pero biglang sa ganitong aspeto medyo hindi nyo kaya and na-frustrate kayo kasi nga you feel na obligado kayo to do it, pero no, it's not. Again, nasa tamang pag-usap lang din yan ng ninyong dalawa as couple. So don't parang sinasabi lang din dito, dahil nafe-feel mo siya, the universe is also just reminding you na it's not an obligation. Okay? So, you have to support up to kung ano yung kaya mo, di ba? Pero don't feel obliged na sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi, yun nga, ma-feel mo na parang nagiging burden yung mga activities ninyo as a couple, which is hindi dapat kasi eventually evolve yan into resentment Okay? And with the page with the Page of Wands here, parang yun nga, it's also a reminder because Page of Wands is an energy of fresh start, okay, and just being spontaneous on things, di ba, na parang sinasabi din dito na wag when it comes to dun sa mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin for your partner, di ba? There's always a chance to do it or in another way, and at the same time parang sinasabi din dito na there's still also a chance for parang restart that idea in your head na parang alisin mo siya, magkaroon ka ng new point of view or perspective when it comes to providing support and in the recent past naman, emotional maturity, baka ino-overthink mo lang din yung situation, kaya you feel na may mga burdens currently when it comes to what should be done or what your contribution is sa relationship or sa connection. Okay? And let's see, ano yung near future na with this energy, present moment, how it may affect the near future. Ayan, Queen of Wands. So, Wands ulit. It's about desire thing. And Cups. Desire and emotion. Yeah. In the near future naman, once na this is resolved, there will be mas magiging stable yung relationship nyo pa. Kasi na-resolve nyo na to na nakita nyo nga na at the present moment, hindi ko dapat iniisip na obligado ako to provide support. Again, magkakaroon ng panibagong point of view sa relationship and how each other collaborate, di ba? Na yung collaboration should not be burdensome or hindi nyo dapat na-feel na parang ang bigat-bigat nung mga responsibilities nyo sa isa't isa. Okay? And eventually, once na na-realize nyo yan and naayos ninyo or nalampasan ninyo itong challenge na ito, in the near future, it would be even better. Why? Kasi with the Queen of Wands energy here, coupled with the King of Cups. So, si Queen of Wands, very, it's a energy of deep connection and, alam mo yun, self-assurance na hindi nyo na din kailangan ng validation ng isa't isa when it comes to mga bagay-bagay. And, assured naman din kayo na support na makakakuha kayo ng support or yung person din ninyo na kahit hindi nyo ma-provide yung support na hinihingi niya. For example, yung example ko kanina about finances, naiintindihan niya. Kasi yun nga, may maturity sa relationship ninyo, di ba? Hindi makitid yung mga pag-iisip ninyo and very understanding and caring yung connection, yung energy sa connection ninyo. So with the Queen of Wands here na energy of deep connection coupled with the energy of security and stability in the near future, lalo na pag nalampasan ninyo itong challenge na to, para mas magkakaroon ng trust sa isa't isa and mas ma-feel ninyo yung security and yung loyalty ng bawat isa towards this connection and relationship. Okay? So, ayun. Sana nakatulong itong reading na to, and before I end, bubunot ako ng isang oracle card as advice from the universe if you are dealing with this situation. Okay. And just to remind everyone na I use this reading with discernment pa rin lagi. Okay. Okay, an advice niyo ay memory. Okay. So yeah, balikan ninyo, recall yung energy or kung paano kayo nagsimula, yung recent past. Diba? Parang it went well kasi hindi nyo masyadong ino-overthink, hindi nyo rin iniisip masyado kung ano yung magiging mga kailangan nyong gawin. Parang spontaneous na nga lang siya, like the Page of Wands na ano lang siya, pag may kailangan, sige, support, nandyan yung binibigay nyo yung supportan ninyo dun sa person ninyo, at the same time nare-receive nyo rin siya, and hindi nyo masyado nga na parang, ay, dapat gawin ko to kasi ito yung kasasa niya. Hindi. It's just something spontaneous din and very natural na nangyayari sa relasyon. So, balikan nyo yun. It's a reminder from the universe na balikan ninyo yung recent past. Ano yung mga kaganapan doon para itong present energy ma-resolve ninyo yung issues and mag-result siya dun sa napakagandang near future energy. Okay? Ayan. So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Ayan. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako, muli si Mystico Moreno or in short mismo. Ayun. Comment na sa baba kung gusto nyo join sa promo. Okay? For the free love reading. Personal private love reading. Okay. Kita-kits na lang muli. Ingat!